welcome back. If you're new, hi. If you're returning, love to see you again. If you're new, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join my family, see when I play with makeup. Why don't you both go ahead and head on over to Instagram, Christina Sheree. I post about 3 times a week, things that I'm interested in, stuff that inspires me, daily looks. So yeah, head on over there and check me out. So today I'm doing a smoky eye. I'm feeling kind of grungy. I'm feeling the greens. So I'm pulling out one of my favorite brands. Top 5 for sure. Milk Cosmetics. I love Milk Cosmetics. I'm not going to just babble on about them. They're a great brand. The shadows blend themselves. They have unique colors. I really love it. So hopefully you guys can check it out. If you don't already have it, check them out. So today I'm using the Gemini palette. Oh, this baby is beautiful. So this is what she looks like inside. She is upside down so that I don't blind you with the mirror and my lights. So we're going to jump into this baby today. For my first color, I'm using my Morphe 573 and dipping into the color Mochi. With Milk Cosmetics, the pigmentation is insane. So I would say start light on your brush. You probably can just build it up. If you go in heavy-handed, you're going to end up with a hot mess on your eye. So just start light. So I'm taking the color Mochi and going just above my crease and blending upwards. Okay, so I blended Mochi pretty high up, like right up to the bottom of my eyebrow, just because I want the smoky eye to kind of extend and have a bit of a gradient. I used a primer that's pretty close to my skin tone. If you want Mochi, which is a beautiful color, pretty unique, if you want it to show up a bit more, just use a lighter primer. For the next color, I'm using my Morphe 441 and dipping into the color Fire OG. I'm going to place that color just underneath Mochi and just above my crease. And again, start light because you'll end up with a lot of pigment on your eyes. With Fire OG blended in pretty nicely, I'm going to take a bit more and concentrate it on the outer portion of my eye just to give it a bit more height. Okay, for the next step, I'm actually using a Aqua XL Makeup Forever eye pencil in the color M80. This is a purple pencil. I'm actually going to place it on about half of my eyelid and then smudge it in. This is really just to give a bit more saturation and punch to the olive color that we're going to put on top. So with the purple placed on my lid, I'm just going to take a smudger brush and blend it in a bit more. Truthfully, smudging out liners on my lid, man, I could use some practice on this one, so luckily I'm going to fast forward that part. Now with my Urban Decay E203 brush, it's a flat shader brush, I'm dipping into the color Leo and going to place that all over the lid. I'm just going to do it without any Fix Plus first and then go back in a second time and Fix Plus my brush. With Leo placed all over my lid, now I'm going to take my Urban Decay E209, pick up a little bit more of Leo, and now blend Leo into my crease. Picking back up my E203, I went right back into Leo, and this time I'm going to fix my brush and go right back over the lid. Now for the bottom lash line, I'm using Morphe 321 and dipping into Mochi. I'm going to bring Mochi down pretty far because I actually want the next color that I'm going to put on top of that to blend into it. Same brush, now using Fire OG and putting Fire OG right under my lashes and just before Mochi ends. Taking my Morphe E30, I'm dipping into the color Leo, and then I'm going to Fix Plus my brush and place that just under my lashes. Now for this, I'm going to stamp it in first because I want that saturation really consistent and close to my lashes, and then I'll blend it. Make sure you connect the bottom to the top. So with my lower lash line done, I'm just going to take my M573, pick up some more Mochi, and run it just underneath to blend it out a bit more. I'm going to take my Melt 420 pencil and run it. I'm going to start in the center and see if I like that and if I want to extend it a bit more. Okay, so I actually took 420 all along my tear duct. So I actually took 420 and ran it all along my inner right here. Words escape me right now. Be kind. With my lower lash line done, I'm going into golds and doing my inner corner, and for that I'm using my Natasha Denona number 4. Okay, so that didn't quite give me the bling I wanted, so I'm just going to, same color, same brush, Fix Plus the brush now. I'm having trouble talking. Hopefully you're hanging in there with me. So with the same brush, this time cleaned off, I'm going into the color Luna. Luna is the lightest in the palette, so hopefully this works as a brow bone highlight. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to do liner and mascara off camera. Okay, so you may notice something slightly different. I wanted you to see how I'm going to wear the look tonight. So tonight I'm feeling kind of green and smoky-eyed and olive and all that good stuff. So went ahead and put on my jacket because I'm headed out. And I wanted you to see what it all looks like together for tonight. This is the final look. Little monochromatic green smoky action happening. I hope you like it. Oh, I almost forgot. I used It Cosmetics on my lashes, and I used my NYX That's the Point eyeliner. Just did a little wing. I also added a little bit more of golds underneath my eyebrows, just to give it a little bit more sparkle. And that is all. Before you go, why don't you guessed it, head on over to Instagram and check me out. I'd love to see you guys there too. Well, have a good night for those of you going out as well. Have a good day if you're watching it during the day, or hope you're enjoying it on lunch. Anytime that's right for you. So, see you later. Bye. I can't get it. Never get it. I can never get it. I can never get it. welcome back. I always need like hella time to do this one. There we go. I'm not trying to be all that. You're like, does it look good like that? How about like that? Maybe it's just me. Hold that thought.